All right, well, we're back to the mushy middle, but good news, good news. Finally come up with something and got committed. This is basically what I'm coming up with. I've been struggling just trying to figure things out, and I have one of the viewers, one of their comments was about having like a park. And I thought that in this area, I was trying to stick buildings and stuff in here, and it just didn't look right. I thought park, it's not a bad idea. It's open space. He also said about having like picnic tables and stuff, which I had planned on. I actually even have it. I got a bunch of guys playing horseshoes. I got a couple of picnic tables, so it's like a little picnic grove in the back of the VFW here, which I had planned on doing. So thinking about that park and open space, and I thought maybe I would just put trees. And I thought, you know what, I don't want to make the pond come around over here, get this culvert closer to this side, and just give it more of a water feature. And once I cut it out and looked at it, I like it. There's where my gas station's going to go. This here, this is my template. Now, the road, I'm going to make the template for the road's going to come over to here, then it jumps across the track, and then I got the road going down there. This probably down here is going to be dirt. The asphalt's going to stop somewhere. Might stop right here, I don't know. And then I already got this glued in. I just got to do, when I do a sculpting mold, this will be the road coming from the feed store. And that's a good start. So that's what I'm going to work on. I'm going to cut out the template, get that road all done. Then I can glue all this down and get the sculpting mold and move it forward. Sorry I keep coming back to this middle, just even though it's a small area, just been having a difficult time. Hopefully I will start getting into working on the upper elevation on that other end that I showed you. I got to start getting that built and continue working over here in the on the wharf also, or the harbor, whatever you want to call it. And I'm also making some buildings. I got some more Mud Creek buildings. They're small kits, so I wasn't really showing their video on that, building them, because they're kind of simple and quick things. So I'll just show you when they're done. So big gain here, big gain. So moving along a little bit. Okay, so I got the road all cut out, and I just painted it. So I'm gonna let that dry up a little bit. I'm gonna come back and get this all glued down, and then I gotta glue this. Like I said, then I'm gonna start doing the sculpting mold. And go from there. But that's it. So I think I'm going to put, maybe I can put something over here. I think I'm going to put something there. One decent sized building, or maybe two small ones or something on this side here. I don't know yet. At least I got this started. I want to get this lake, get this pond area looking pretty good. Now that's getting warm. I don't have to worry about, once I get this done, I can actually pour the resin and get that. I have to, I want to get this in here, this culvert, weather that up, get that in there when I do the sculpting mold. But there it is, what it's going to be. I think I'll be happy with it. I think it'll look okay. All right, now I got the everything glued in. Got the base in. This is all glued. This is glued here. I even did. You can see it over here. The road goes up. I guess it goes up about another foot. I knew that part of the road I know has got to be what it is, so that's why I glued it in. What I'm doing now is getting ready to sculpting mold, and I want to take some of this edge off the sharp edge off the around the perimeter of the pond here. So I got my hot wire cutter, and I'm just kind of just taking the edge off around here, so it'll slope up a little bit. This I don't think I'm going to have to, because I'm going to put rock on here. I think that's good enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rock here, and I'll put a little bit of rock here. I'm going to do it this way, sorry. I'm going to go like this. And I'll put a little bit here. And then my culvert is going to go in here. I put a little piece of plastic pipe on it. Can't ever show it. So, all right. So let me mix up some sculpting mold. All right, I got all the sculpting mold done. Got all the rock in. Got my culvert in there. And I did a little over here. I filled this in because this row is like a what is it, 1/8 inch thick. So you would have a drop down. So I filled that in. Did here, a little bit here, what I had left over. Let it dry, and then I got to, next I'll wash up put the wash on the rocks. And once this all dries, I can paint it the base brown. Well, making shape, coming along. And over here, got my one stone retaining wall in. I just put in, it's got to dry. And I'm going to get this other one in now. Raise it up just a little bit. All right, here we go. Don't look too bad, huh? A little something different. Instead of concrete or whatever, so that's good. No extra touch. I think I'll do that around some other places around the harbor too. Okay. Another step, getting close. All right, so I'm getting started on this elevation on the other end of the layout here. So I took some 1/2 inch foam board. I cut them, I think they're 4 inches high. And then I'm going to put this, the other outer piece on. And obviously I want to follow that curve. So what I did, let me just see it. I just took my razor knife and I just scored lines in it. And then I took these toothpicks and stuck in there. So actually this is longer, but I must have cut a little bit too much and it snapped off, but I'll glue it on. But this way it helps make it bend. So we'll see how this works. I want to try gluing this one piece in, so bear with me here. You can see, put a bead of glue, put some glue on the toothpicks. I got my marker where about I want to be. And just start trying to get this thing lined up on here. And push it down. Like so. Take a T-pin. Try to help hold that end. All right. That's the other piece that broke off. I think I'm just going to do it like that. Ain't going to be, everything's going to get sculpting mold anyhow. All right. Oop. I try to use these toothpicks like when you're building furniture and so forth. These are like dowels. All right. Put a couple down here on the bottom. Get the glue come out. This bottle's almost done. All right. I'll get a T-pin put over there. Let's see if I can get this piece to stay together a little bit more. And once it dries, I just snap, cut the whatever excess sticking out of these toothpicks. All right, pour a little bit more glue down here. Let that run down. Okay, we got to start. Not looking too bad, huh? All right, I got to figure out what's the next step. Start cutting it. I got to figure out too how I'm going to. I got to get reinforcement pieces up here for the top. Especially when I start putting sculpting mold and buildings on it. So I'm probably gonna have to put some pieces of wood up this way, help hold it up like I did on the other side. All right, let me figure out what I'm gonna start cutting next. Start bringing these around. Well, we're starting. All right, so I got some supports in for the top piece. So I think I'm gonna let all that stuff dry, and then I gotta start figuring what I'm gonna do for the tunnel portals. I know I have to make at least one. I'm gonna have to make by scratch. The other ones, I may be able to use some of the what I got in here. What are the scenics or whatever. I do have some other old portals. I'll have to see. But we got it started anyhow. All right, it's going to do it for this video. Probably the videos next few or so are going to be kind of short. Springtime, I got to get out and do some yard work and stuff, so it takes away from doing the railroad. So that'll be it for this update. And the next couple will be just updates working on the middle, working on this elevation on this end. Just see what we can get done plugging along. So please hit the like and share button if you could, and subscribe, please. You know, we're over 500, which is good. I really appreciate it. So if you could subscribe, it doesn't cost anything. I really would appreciate it very much. So with that, until the next time we meet.